Good morning. Thank you for calling. This is ES Spa Salon. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book a massage appointment. I wanted to inquire about your services and availability.
Of course, we have offer a variety of massage treatments aimed at relaxation and rejuvenation. May I know what type of massage are you looking for?
Since it is my first time, I'm interested in something like basic stress relief massage.
That's great. The massage that are you looking for is Swedish massage. We have skill therapies available for Swedish massage. We are available this Wednesday and Thursday. Which day works better for you?
Wednesday afternoon is fine. What time slots do you have?
We have 1 a.m., 3 a.m. available on Wednesday. Which would you prefer?
3 p.m. slot is fine.
Great choice. May I have your name and contact information to reserve the booking?
My name is Shrita Baransa and my phone number is 0989-9889-989.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am. She will receive the 3 a.m. Swedish massage for you on Wednesday.
Thank you, noted.
Our therapies will ensure a relaxing experience for you. Please arrive 10 minutes earlier to complete any necessary paperwork and start your relaxation. Thank you.
Understood. Thank you so much for your help.
Welcome, ma'am. We look forward to seeing you on Wednesday at 3 p.m. If you have any concern before your appointment, feel free to call us. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you.